Hello guys, we are here now at Ocean Suites Hotel at Tagbilaran City of Bohol.
I'm sorry, sir, because I couldn't reply you, but she didn't change.
Follow up?
Yeah, she didn't change, so that's why.
Upon checking in guys, nagka-problema mi kasi we book a deluxe room and then they give us the premier room which is on the upper floor of the hotel. So syempre nagreklamo mi because we are paying for the deluxe room and then they only give us the premier, which the deluxe room is the lower ground with a swimming pool access. That's why we book deluxe. We already know the room. What type of room is that? Because we've been here already many times na. That's why we are complaining. And also, it's already lunchtime. So, mag-lunch usa mi while waiting for the room. Kaya they're still preparing for our room. So, I will show you the view also here at the restaurant area. So, this is the view na makita nyo. Makikita nyo yung shrine, the blood compact shrine. And also, at the front of the restaurant is a infinity pool. Yeah, that's the infinity pool. And this is their building. Yeah. And also you can see the ocean here. Yes guys, makikita nyo dito ang Panglao. Yan yung nakikita nyong dagat. Yan yung Panglao guys. Ayan. So ayan.
What do you want to drink, fruit? Oh, mango juice for her. You have Pepsi or?
Ito na, naluto na yung order natin. Ito ay ang bulalo soup and also the broccoli beef or beef broccoli. Ito. Masarap naman yung bulalo nila pero para sa akin kasi hindi ako mahilig sa maanghang. Kaya para sa akin maanghang lang tong sabaw na to. Para sa akin lang at saka sa anak kong babae. No? Dahil tapos na kami nag-lunch, we're going to our room na. Okay? And I'll show you the room now. Room is going down at the last floor. Our room is at the last floor of the building. Kasi guys, ito lang talaga yung mahirap dito guys kasi wala silang elevator kaya siguradong mga ngawit ang mga tuhod o mga hita natin dito sa kakaakyat mo at pababa ng hagdanan kasi napakaraming hagdanan mo pang akyatin papunta mo sa restaurant nila. Tapos pabalik ka na naman sa room nyo. At kung gusto nyo namang umakyat doon, lumabas, gusto nyo mag-mall, aakyat na naman kayo sa pinakatap na doon sa reception. Wala kasi elevator dito. At ito na guys, nandito na tayo sa room natin. Ipapakita ko na sa inyo yung ating bedroom. By the way, sa labas pala meron silang tubig. Okay, we are at room 117. Ito yung room natin. Yan, one full bed. King bed, meron silang telephone, at saka meron naman silang mini refrigerator, meron water heater, just in case you want hot water. Meron din silang coffee, at saka, ayan, nakita nyo naman yung sink. Ito yung ano nila, shampoo, sabon, kapag maligo kayo. Ito, oo, yan. Anyways, meron din silang ano dito, yung tawag niyan. Syempre may TV at saka yung split type na AC or air condition unit. Meron dito. Yan. Pakita ko naman sa inyo yung tawag nito, yung kanilang may mirror sila dito sa nila, sa kanilang lavatory. Yan yung lavatory. Syempre, pag dito, sa door na yan, nakita nyo yung curtain. Diyan, pagbukas nyo dyan, mayroong sliding door at mayroong swimming pool doon. But bago yan, ipakita ko muna yung toilet nila. Okay? Ito pala yung toilet and bath nila. Shower mala. Ayan. Siyempre, may dalawang towel. Ayun. Yan yung TV nakikita nyo. Okay? Yan, yan ulit. Yung bed. Yun. Mayroon silang wardrobe dito para sa inyong mga damit. At ayun, nabubuksan na ang pinto ng back door natin. Ito na ang bubungad sa inyo ang swimming pool. At syempre, maganda rin ang view dyan. Ayan, oh, nakikita nyo naman yung dagat, diba? Yan pala yung view na makikita nyo dito. Yes, maganda talaga ang view dito. At ito rin ang makikita nyo yan. Ano yan? Yan yung blood compact shrine. Oo, yan yun. Yan.
See that there statue over there commemorates how the Filipinos got suckered in by the Spanish a long time ago. To where they basically says, oh, we're gonna be helping you, we're gonna be kind and everything. But then what did they do? Greed, as usual, got into these white people and just devastated and claimed, well, not really claimed, but they just took basically the whole land around here.
Oh, that's done. This is the ocean suites. At ang anak ko nag-swimming siya sa gabi. Ito yung itsura nila sa swimming pool kapag sa gabi kayo. Good morning! Good morning, good morning! Say good morning to them, my baby! Good morning, baby! It's morning. At umaga na, ang pinakahihintay natin ay ang buffet breakfast nila. Maaga kami nandito 6 a.m. pero hindi pa pala sila open. 7 pa pala sila mag-open. So, maghihintay muna tayo dito. Magpapaaral muna ang baby namin dito. Okay? Magpapaaral muna si baby. Oo. Yan, dito muna kami naghihintay at nanonood lang muna ng view, no? Maganda naman ang mga view dito, so okay lang maghintay. I know. The view. Dagat. Dagat ang view dere Wala pa breakfast kaya alas 7 pa ang breakfast. So nag-wait may sa breakfast. Kay gigotom naman sa swimming pool dito ubos. Nami dito sa ubos. Their breakfast. It's a buffet. You have fruits. Bread. Coffee. And then juices. It's not ready yet. Not yet. I don't know. There's the food. There's the chicken. And this is ham. This is chicken, a fish belly, and then what is that? Bitter melon or ampalaya. This is the rice, plain and garlic rice. And they have mushroom soup. Mushroom soup.
Come here, Minnie.